Hello, my friends. Welcome to another video. So before we start, Artists Till Death, every month they have a resin class on YouTube that you can attend for free. They sell kits that have everything you need for this class on their website, artisttilldeath.com. Now, if you want to participate and buy a kit, this month's class is November 21st, so I'm not sure if there's enough time, but so you know, for next month, every month they do this and it's a different theme. This month, the theme is fire. They teach you how to make fire in resin. So they sent me a kit, asked me to join their class, which I will. It's November 21st, 6 p.m. Central Time. So if you're around and you want to watch, or if you want to try to get a kit and have it shipped faster, like a 2-day service, maybe they offer that. But either way, check them out, artisttilldeath.com. Now, what I'm showing you here are some beautiful ornaments that I am making custom order with interference colors and primary elements. They are magnificent. Now, if you see drips and parts that aren't covered with resin, please ignore that. I just threw a quick coat on to show you really quick how pretty they look underneath resin. But they are just absolutely phenomenal. Now, coming up, you're going to see all the different shapes I have. These were just some small wood ones that I had that viewers sent to me. Thank you so much, Linda. They're absolutely a joy to work on. But if you are interested in a custom ornament, you can email me artbytammy@yahoo.com. The interference and the primary elements just take these ornaments to the next level. Again, like I said, don't mind them if you see bumps or uncovered areas. I just threw it on there quick. Now, also, there are some ornaments that I need to promote for a couple of friends. So I have a friend, Judy, who sells glass ornaments by the half and full case. I'll be showing you those in a minute if you're interested in them, to purchase them, to make them yourself. I can give you that information. And then another person was kind enough to show me some beautiful ornaments that she ordered, Miss Canella Sirocco, and I had to go order a ton of them myself. So shout out to Canella for this find on these beautiful acrylic ornaments. But the woman selling them is a sweetheart. She has an Etsy shop. These are them right there. They're made out of thick acrylic plastic. So check out Swimming in Color on Etsy.com. I will put it in the description. Now, I do have a few shapes of these if you want me to make one for you. Wood ornaments are $15 plus shipping, which won't be a lot because they're very light. And then the glass and acrylic ornaments are $20 each. And I will be showing you those in a second. I forgot I put in this short clip of the last video's painting. It is now resined. It is gorgeous. It is a 16 by 16 gallery wrap Dutch pour painting I did. If you want to see the video, I will link it above. Right now you'll see an eye pop up. If you can click on your screen, you can click on that. It'll take you right to the video. The colors dried beautifully, deep, rich. That background oyster color looks like soft velvet, like you could lay in it. It's an absolutely gorgeous painting, and I hope it finds a home. So if you're interested, email me artbytammy@yahoo.com. So here are the ornaments that I am able to design. I'm just organized as always. As you can see, everything's out of order here. So those are the wood shape. I'd say they're about 4 inches. The acrylic ones that you're going to see in a minute that come from Swimming in Color, these two right here, those are a little bit smaller, but they're really great quality. If you want to buy them, I'll put the link in the description for you to buy them as blanks. You can work on them yourself. They're really fun. And then you have these big, gigantic, double-fired glass ornaments that Judy sells that I absolutely love working on. I can do one of those custom for you, or if you're interested in buying them, that information will be below too. So, yeah, if you're looking for a little piece of my art that won't cost you an arm and a leg, here's your chance. Just email me, artbytammy@yahoo.com. Alrighty, my friends, now that I've shown you those beautiful interference colors, let's do an interference bloom right now. So I'm going to show you these. I'll put my flash on so you can see them really good. This is the gold interference. And what I do is I buy both the Bling It interference and the Bling It sparkle colors, which are also interferences, but the flakes are bigger. So you get more of a shimmery diamond look. So here is a regular interference gold. See how fine the particulates are. And then the gold sparkle, which I have right here, is much more shinier looking because the flakes are bigger. Okay, so I buy both the gold sparkle and the interference gold and mix them both into my base, which, by the way, is Sherman Williams High Gloss. This one right here. Now, this one is discontinued, but I found an exact match to this base. So this is an ultra deep base. I found this one here, which is exactly the same as that one. So if you've been using that brand and can't find it anymore, base C is identical to that other one. So this one, very, very good to use for the bloom technique. Or you can buy the Vivid Enamel through Colourarte or the Polypore. They all work. I like to do this one because I like to make my own pouring medium for my bloom base. So, where was I? So I have the gold here. Then I have, this one is violet, I believe. I'll put the flash back on so I can actually see. Yep, that's the violet. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but there we go. See that? How it's shifting? So that's what it looks like when it's dry. It doesn't look white. It looks like that violet. Then I have, I believe this is the blue. There it is. The red. And the last, my favorite, the green interference. Now, if you put some green interference down with some red or violet on top of it, it makes this beautiful fire opal color in your painting, like an amberish color almost. It's beautiful. The one primary element I'm using is called Love Struck. Beautiful color. All right, and then my cell activator is black. So the paints, how they are mixed, and the cell activator, how it is made, I will put the exact measurements down below, and we're just going to go for it, okay? The nice thing about those interference colors, you can buy all 5 in a pack and save a couple bucks. Plus my coupon for Colourarte.com saves you another additional 20%. So that's a good savings. So the first thing I'm going to do to create my interference bloom is I'm going to put down my white house paint. Now this is Walmart brand, so it's called Colorplace Semi-Gloss White. Okay. Now I don't like to do the puddle or pillow technique where you leave the pillow in the center pillow of paint just like this, put the colors on, blow it out, and then tilt. I like to cover the whole canvas. This way, when I blow out my bloom, if I like the design I get, I don't have to tilt as much because I got all of that paint off the canvas already. And I believe this is a 10-inch round that I picked up at Blick. All right, so I always take my gloves off after that first thing because it makes a mess tilting, and I really don't have to pick it up much after this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put down my Love Struck right in the center, like that. And then I'm going to pile my colors on top of that. So I'm going to go with the gold, my interference colors. Gold first. Then that's green. I want to go with blue next. Blue. Now, if I put red on top of this, it makes a pretty shade of purple. That is violet. This is, nope. The violet and the red are very similar. Well, they're not, but in the cup, they look a lot alike. So there's the red. Then next will be my green. Okay. And then the violet right on top of that. I'm going to put one more small drop of red in the center, just like that. And then my cell activator. Now, you can use white, but for some reason, well, black helps interference colors stand out. So I like to use black when I'm using them because it really makes them pop. That piece that you saw me showcase in the beginning of the video, that was done with black. And you know what? I like to use a lot of cell activator. Just my personal preference. Don't know if it's needed, but that's how I like it. So now I'm going to take my blow dryer and I'm just going to aim down at it and blow it around, okay? Maybe. I got to plug it in first. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Now you can't see this, but I'm starting from way up high with the air. I'm aiming straight down. As I'm coming down, when I start seeing that to start to move a lot, that's when I know I'm at the correct distance. And I will go no closer. Okay, just like that. That's it. I'm not doing anything else. And I'm going to give it a second to all pull back in. Because if I were to try to move it right now, this paint is stuck down on the canvas because I blew it out, right? So you got to give it time to come back into the center and lift up off of the canvas. I'll give you a little close-up while we're waiting. So that is quite beautiful. And you can see as I go over the different colors, they're hiding in there. Sometimes they really shine through, but I did put that red dot in the center, which covered up quite a bit of it, but it's going to be really pretty once it's resined. And I shift it around for you in the light. So now, because I tilted all that paint off in the beginning, I can kind of leave this the way it is. I mean, it's really pretty. I'm going to take my airbrush and I'm going to blow out the edges just a tiny bit. And I don't have to tilt because I don't have all that extra paint in there, okay? So, just a little bit. I'm going to blow it out to make it more fitting. It's kind of like a flower that has really ragged, frayed edges. I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, and that's going to be it. I'm not touching it anymore. That was a lie. All right, I'm going to leave it alone. No, maybe not. This one area is bothering me. What can I say? No. I'm done. I promise. All right, my friends. So there she is. I absolutely love it. It's going to look beautiful with resin on it. If you enjoyed the video, please click like. Also, if you're not a subscriber, I would appreciate it if you subscribe. If you are interested in anything you see, this area in the center is going to be magnificent once I get the resin on. If you are interested in anything you see, just shoot me an email, artbytammy@yahoo.com. Because all artwork is available, and I do commissions also. Alrighty, my friends. Well, that is it. I'm going to, once I shut off the camera, I'm just going to take a little white paint and put it here to stop this from going off the canvas. Wipe your edges multiple times to stop the paint from pulling over and ruining your design. Oh, that center is lovely. All right, I'm done oohing and eyeing. Until next time, my friends, I hope you are all well and happy pouring.